What is going on, that gang? We're back for yet another video, and today, guys, we are going to be doing a Dababy type beat. If you haven't guessed by the intro, the horrible intro already, god damn, this wire is so. Alright, yeah, so we're gonna do a Dababy type beat. Never done one before, but Dababy's fire, bro. This dude is fire. Like, I didn't really listen to his music as much when he first, like when Suge came out and all that. But then I heard about Kirk, everybody's hyping it up. I like Kirk, first of all. It was a pretty decent album. And then like I started listening to his old stuff. That's fire. Alright, that's all I gotta say. But today we are going to be heading on to FL Studio. I got the Suge 808 right here, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, by the way, before I forget, guys, I have an announcement to make. I have a Discord now. You guys been asking me? I have a Discord now. Link is in the description. Go join my Discord. Try to make sure I'm on it actively. But yeah, join my Discord if you want to talk to people that also like my stuff. So yeah, with that being said, make sure you don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications because you don't want to miss this. All right, so let's get this video done. Screen wasn't recording the whole time. All right, this is what I have so far. All right, I have this melody, this basic hi-hat, and you know, I'm just gonna show you the whole thing. Just this is what I have so far. Okay, you're wondering, that's not a lot at all. Like, what you mad about? Okay, the reason is because, you know what I'm saying, this is the majority of a Dababy type beat, because they're supposed to be simple. They're not supposed to have a lot. And I recorded a lot before. So, you know what, I'm not even gonna rant to the computer. I mean, to the... Alright, let's do the 808 now. Is this thing recording? I swear to God. Alright, and we also know that Dababy has a little dun-dun-dun-dun-dun thing. You'll know what I'm talking about in a minute, alright? So what I was talking about is when he goes like... Okay, so it's something like that, okay? You know what I'm talking about, okay? But... I just feel like if I just bring this here.
Are you sure about that?
Oh my God. We got this, guys. Don't worry, all right? Don't click off the video yet, okay?
Several bad puns later.
There we go. The 808 pattern's done. It's cool. Sounds pretty legit. It's not exactly like Suge's, but you know, I don't want to do that. It's stupid. But yeah, we got a little something. Now it's just the melody. It's just lame. The melody's just so. It's not bad. It's just empty. Like I need a counter melody. I need a counter melody. Or like a different sound, something, I don't know. This is actually pretty good. Yo, I just made a banger by accident. What the hell? Okay, now I'm excited. Pause. Hold up. Wait. We can go back to this thing and like. Wow. What the hell, FL? Alright, now we really definitely need something for the counter melody, okay? Oh my god, this is actually really good. Wow, I literally did this by accident. Kinda saved my behind, but goddamn. Nah, we need a pad, I need a pad. This kind of sounds like a flute. Oh. Oh. Alright, let's add some reverb to this real quick because it needs a bit more reverb. Well, guys, I honestly think there's the beat. I mean, that was completely by accident. See, this is what happens when you're patient and you just go through all of your, presets. Just go through your presets. There's gonna be something there you haven't used that you think is fire, and you just skip over it every time. Just gotta be patient. I mean, it didn't really take long for me because I just clicked on a random one. But yeah, it worked. So yeah, I mean that's my Dababy type beat. Tons of you are gonna be like, oh, doesn't sound like a Dababy type beat, but I don't give a damn because we just making the best music we can on YouTube. So if you liked the video, leave a like. If you didn't like it, go fuck yourself. I don't give a damn. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. All that good stuff. And I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace.